Exploring piano care, ordering and addressing repair needs calmly and confidently.
We're ordering some new rubbers for the piano because they're what? What's the matter with them? Can you speak professionally to the camera, please? Look here. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? So you got two types here. See, it's wrong. So obviously, they sent it wrong. So that's the whole piano here. What is it, Yamaha? Yeah, it's a Yamaha. Okay. All right. Seems like you're doing a great, mighty fine job there. Now, go on to the site. Come on. You got to go on the phone. Go on Mum's phone and post it. Okay. All right. Oh, you got to look for it. See, this is wrong. This is wrong right here. You see it? That is wrong. Wow, we need that one, not that one. What a shame. So, okay, look for it then online and then we'll order it. Okay? All good?